Record it. A program of CNC programming software. The first thing to record is the cylinder. Let's first open this programming software. Then draw a big circle. We can choose the radius of the large circle as 200. Then draw a small circle concentric with the big circle. Choose 100 for radius. After we finish drawing, we were between the big circle and the small circle. Need to use a wire to connect. It has the option to connect on. After the connection is completed, this is cut out and the outer circle is 200. The circle inside is a cylinder of 100. After drawing, we program. How to program? Let's first draw an auxiliary line. This auxiliary line does not need to be too long. What I drew is 1 centimeter long. Then we choose cutting programming. Click here. Start cutting. In this case, just select the cutting path. Select cutting path. Then generally a cylinder like this. We need to cut the small round inside first. Click this red line to confirm. Then this one below is. He was walking down step by step. We can choose to cut small circles. Choose to let him go left first or go right first. Here we let him click on the left first. Make sure and then the small circles inside are cut out. Then click it to come back. I'll cut this big circle when I get back. The same goes for cutting into large circles. Confirm and finish cutting. After everything is cut, let's choose to go back to where we just started to use the knife. Click OK and the program will be compiled. After editing it, we choose code output, code save, save a name, cylinder, save after saving, save. Let's open this software after exiting now. This software is also the loader we will bring to you. Click on this to see what we just did. Program the cylinder. Just click to start cutting. Adjust speed and temperature in advance. Click to start. What about our cylinder? Programming is done.